Flight controls for the 757 are cable-controlled and hydraulically operated. If hydraulic power is not available, the controls cannot be operated manually. However, a single hydraulic system will provide sufficient power to operate the flight controls. Aileron, elevator, and rudder position indications are displayed on the EICAS status page. Let's now look at roll control. Roll control is provided by ailerons and spoilers. The ailerons use power from all three hydraulic systems. The left aileron is powered by the right and center hydraulic systems. The right aileron is powered by the left and center hydraulic systems. This maintains full aileron operation with a single hydraulic system failure. Actual aileron positions are displayed on the EICAS status display. Pointers show aileron movement and relative displacement from center. Full aileron deflection causes full pointer deflection. Aileron trim is controlled by two spring-loaded aileron trim switches located on the pedestal. Both switches must be moved simultaneously to position the ailerons. There are no trim tabs. Instead, the aileron trim switches reposition the control surfaces, which also causes the control wheel to move. Large amounts of trim can also cause spoiler deflection. An aileron trim indicator is located on each control column. Units of left or right trim are displayed by the indicator. There are 6 spoiler panels on each wing. Each spoiler panel uses power from one of the 3 hydraulic systems. The control wheel provides signals to a controller, which hydraulically deflects spoiler panels for a roll augmentation. The spoiler panels are also used as speed brakes. The speed brake lever, located on the pedestal, also provides signals to the controller for the spoiler deflection. In the down detent, all the spoiler panels are retracted. In the up position, all spoiler panels are deployed. The spoilers may be positioned to any intermediate position by setting the speed brake lever accordingly. Prior to landing, setting the speed brake lever to armed selects automatic extension of the spoiler panels upon landing. During landing, automatic spoiler extension occurs with both throttles at idle, hydraulic pressure to both tilt actuators, and both truck tilt sensors indicating on the ground. When these conditions are met, the speed brake lever moves to the up position and all of the spoilers automatically extend. If landing with the speed brake lever in the down position, the spoilers automatically extend when reversed thrust is selected on either engine or both engines, provided the conditions for automatic extension are also met. When one of the conditions for automatic extension no longer exists, the lever automatically moves to the down detent. The spoilers can be manually retracted by positioning the speed brake lever to the down detent. The auto speed brake light, accompanied by the associated ICAS message, will illuminate any time a fault is detected in the auto speed brake system. With the auto speed brake light illuminated, do not arm the speed brakes. The lever should be left in the down detent to prevent possible inadvertent extension in flight. Upon landing, the spoilers must be extended manually. A spoiler's light, located on the overhead panel, illuminates, and the associated ICAS message appears when one or more spoiler panels disagrees with its commanded position. A speed brake's light is located on the center instrument panel. The speed brake light illuminates, accompanied by the associated ICAS message, when the speed brake lever is beyond the armed position. The caution will only occur when below 800 feet down to 15 feet radio altitude, or with flaps extended beyond 20 degrees, regardless of altitude. Now let's look at some questions. Now let's look at 767 roll control differences. There are inboard and outboard ailerons on each 767 wing. At low speeds, both sets of ailerons operate. The inboard ailerons droop in conjunction with flap extension to improve low-speed flight characteristics. At high speeds, an automatic aileron lockout system prevents operation of the outboard ailerons. There are additional position indicators on the ICAS status display for the inboard ailerons. An aileron lockout light, located on the overhead panel, indicates a fault in the aileron lockout system. Should the light illuminate at low speed, an outboard aileron may be locked out, or at high speed, an outboard aileron may not be locked out.